How to blur face on CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to blur face in CapCut. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up CapCut on your phone. Then once that is open, you can just click on New Project. Now just go ahead and add something to your timeline that you want to edit or the face that you want to blur. So I've got this face from CapCut. What I can do here is now just go ahead and click on this, and you're gonna have to apply an effect here. Alright, so what you can do first is duplicate this. So scroll to the side, and then from here click on duplicate. Once you find the duplicate button, click on the second clip that has been duplicated, and then scroll to the side and move it to overlay. Once that is done, move this all the way to the start so the two videos align. Now click on the top video right here. That's on the bottom part of the overlay. So this the first video. Then you can click on effects. Click on video effects. And then from here you can just go ahead and search for blur. Hit enter. And you can find different blurs here. So I'll just go ahead and click on the second option here. You could also adjust the intensity of the blur. So let me just go ahead and increase it a bit. Then once that is done, you can just go back. And once the filter has been applied, just tap on done. So the blur effect has been applied on the first part. Now go to the second part and then scroll to the side, all the way to the side until you find the mask option. Click on mask. Now from here you can choose a circular mask. As you can see here, everything is blurred out except for the circle. So just adjust your circle, and once you've done that, you can just click on this invert button. Now from this, you can just blur out the face, or just tap on done. And now just go ahead and move the mask, and it's going to track the face. And once that is done, your face should be blurred. Now you can also increase the intensity of the blur. So if you move to the effects tab, tap on adjust, I'll just increase the blur intensity. Now increase. Let's just tap on done, move to mask again. And then you can also increase the size of the blur so that nothing is visible. Alright, so once that is done, you can start playing the video. And as you can see here, the face has been blurred. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.